Before I attempt to do this, I want you to see, and I want you to imagine taking your foot and placing it on an 18-inch screwdriver and pushing down. The pressure that will be incurred at that very moment. That melon may weigh about between 4 to 5 pounds. Go ahead, drop it. There you have it. This is something that, as I said, is not a trick. And hopefully that won't be my foot. All right, let's do this.
One of the hardest things I have to do is to get into the zone in which I'm mentally and physically unable to feel the pain. And the only thing I can think about is how I have to walk across those screwdrivers in order to maintain my safety.
Don't hold me, I'm gonna hold you guys. Hang in there. Come on! Come on! 3 more!
Thank you, everybody. I love you.
Come on. Were there camera tricks? I mean, did you guys...
No, that was real. We saw them break the bottle. We saw them set it with screwdrivers. Everything was legit.
To walk across that like that and for it not to go through his feet was unbelievable.
There's no trick. It's completely a mind freak.
Those are not. This hurt my hand even touching them.
No, there was no faking on this. This was all real stuff.
Those were real 18-inch screwdrivers. It was a mind freak. Was that just... Oh, I can't know.
I have no idea how it didn't go on his feet. It's unbelievable.
He's the only one that can do it. He's the only one.